Hi guys, welcome back Corsa channel. Today we have the other unit, Mclaren 570S. Upgrade the Tneer exhaust with the VTE map. Oh, this is the downpipe. Two downpipes inside here. Oh, this is silencer. Okay guys, now is the full set system is here already. This is the erratic valve tonic system. This is a carbon tip pipe. Downpipe here, straight through. This is a silencer. Good morning guys, good morning. Today is another lovely sunny day. Okay guys, so today we already dismantled the full system here. Original, this is a Tneer exhaust, Tneer full set. So you can see the difference, it's a big difference here. It's straight through, downpipe, and then come up until the exhaust tips here. So you can see the very little silencer. The valve off, go through the silencer and then come up. Okay guys, come, let's start the job. Okay guys, so every time I upgrade the exhaust system with the Remap, we must be change the filter, upgrade to BMC. If not, the performance cannot become 100%. Okay guys, this is the original one. Throw in dustbin. BMC high flow filter. Okay guys, before we do the wiring, we do the checkup. See whether got exhaust headache or not. So we need to start the engine. Okay guys, this is the last pass we need to doing. So we need to fix the Mclaren system with the wiring. So this is the module from Tneer, remote control. Okay, now this is a 570S. Horsepower is 570. On engine, on wheel is about 530, 520, 530. So now we do on wheel is 580, 582. Maximum is 585. Okay guys, finally the Mclaren 570 is ready. So the horsepower will increase about 60 to 70 horsepower because the original horsepower on wheel is about 520. So now we increase until 585, 585. Okay guys, so coming up we have another G63. Tomorrow have 2 more units coming in. So we have one shot, we have 3 units. Okay guys, see you on next video.